Hey Sheldon, John Eric here with Gorilla Pro Customs. This is a lid for one of our larger 10K bricks. The bottom is right here. Basically in this style, all the money goes in the bottom. This particular one, the bolts go down from the top. We have, all these are kind of the same style. This is called a crosshatch pattern. These back here, a diamond pattern. We do mirror finish also. I'll show you one of those in a second. The secondary, the alternate style to that one is this. This one has the bolts in the bottom. So it's basically the same exact thing, the bottom bolts. This is a very similar one. The difference, or the only difference really between these two, besides what it says on it, is this has rounded corners and this has squared off corners. They're all the exact same capacity. Then we have these over here, which are not designed to be fancy. This has also got a $10,000 capacity. This is a 1-inch piece. This is a 1-inch piece. This one is made with 3/4 inch aluminum. And it's got a machine finish. That's why you get that rainbow effect in there. This is not designed to be a showpiece. I mean, it looks nice, but you get the point. This is what it looks like on the inside. This one is also a little smaller because half the money goes in the lid, the other half goes in the base. So they have 2 equal parts cut out. This is what's used for alignment on these, this raised ridge here. Let me show you. So this is the male side here, and this is the female side here. These use stainless steel alignment rings. Let me show you one of those. So right there is a little small piece of stainless that fits perfect down into that recess. And then of course it bolts together and it looks real nice. We also have this same style, but of course we could do mirror finish, any design or texture you can think of. And I have a couple more over here. The only other style you haven't seen is this. This one's just a plain mirror finish. When I say plain, this is actually much more expensive to do than this. This is 10 times the work to polish over this. Let's see what else. Well, you've already seen this one. Here's a wider 10K brick. Here's a YouTube brick. We have literally hundreds and hundreds of styles. We make them round also. This one I can configure this to hold 10,000 or whatever you want. This one is a Bitcoin brick. That's the back side. And that's the front side. So let me know what you like the most. Here's another version of a machine finish versus a polished finish. So let me know what catches your eye. We do have slightly larger ones that hold 25K. These both hold 50K. I think this is not bolted together. No, so you can see the inside. This one is a beauty. This one's getting shipped out tomorrow. Met this guy on YouTube. Here's a couple more over here. This is a 50K, 50K, 25K, 50K. There's a few more up here. I've not made any videos of these yet. I just haven't had time, honestly. Those are all 50K bricks up there. The lighting is just not that great. The Chicago Bulls, besides that reflection, looks fantastic. There's a nice Mercedes. So let me know what catches your eye. I can do any kind of pattern, any kind of texture, you name it. Let me know. Oh, and if you're somebody else watching this besides Sheldon, please subscribe. We start doing giveaways tomorrow. We're going to be giving away bricks. Here's a nice ashtray that holds silver coins. Here's the same exact one in a machine finish. And this is obviously a polished finish. So we make all kinds of stuff. Let me know what you like.